My name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. I am actually filming back on my camera. When I filmed last week on my phone and I was editing, it wasn't that bad. If not, I think filming on my phone had better quality than my camera. I'm sorry, I still love you, but I think it was like the same. I don't think that I didn't notice. So today I am doing a unboxing. I bought some stuff off of Amazon, Borboleta, and Sassy Lashes. Actually, they're not sassy anymore. They are called 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑏𝑬𝑃, but I think they're like trying to get rid of their sassy lash inventory that they have. So let's get started. I actually opened this box already. This is the only box I opened because I was so excited when I got it. I already knew what was in here and I just wanted to feel it. So this is how it came. It has this little cute wrapping paper and their stuff smells amazing. I think they spray a lot of like perfume on their boxes and stuff like that. So what I purchased was the booty cushion. I've been really wanting one of these. My husband has even told me, like, he kind of does research for me and he's like, I think you need one of these butt pillows. It just like spreads your cheeks, not really, but it helps you like sit down a lot more straighter. It helps a lot. I should have done some research so I could tell you guys about this pillow, but it folds up like this. Is how it came, and you just open it up and you place it on your chair. If you guys are using like saddle chairs, I don't think this will work, but if you're using like an office chair, if you guys have seen my recliner video, I show you guys what kind of recliner and what kind of chair I use to lash. You guys can see that my chair is pretty flat and this has a lot of cushion. It's pink, of course. Everything has to be pink in my studio, and it's actually very comfy. I was sitting on it. I should sit on it now. I also got just the tip tweezers in gold. I have been practicing right now what we're in. We can't lash, so I've been practicing making pomades at home. And I've been watching a lot of videos and just like lives and different things of people that are using tweezers and like what's the best. And I've never used a tweezer like this. This is like a crane tweezer. Let me show you. So this is considered a crane tweezer. It's kind of like slanted like this. They also call it the curved tweezer. So this is easy to pinch. This is easy to do like your flower bouquet method. You just pick up and you kind of shimmy, pick it up. I think you can also use this to isolate, to place a classic lash. I'm not sure, but I got this tweezer, and then they actually sent me out some other tweezers, and I thought I already had one, so I was going to do a giveaway, but guys, no, I don't have this one, so it's for me. This one is the Magic Mike baby tweezer. I have the Magic Mike, the longer one, so that's why I was like, oh my god, I have a free one that I could give away, and no, I don't have one, so I'm keeping it for myself. This one is smaller than the other one, but it's kind of like rainbow, and this is good for, again, pinching to make your mega fans, maybe isolating, maybe placing a classic lash. I'm not sure, haven't tried it out, but I'm going to be testing these out. Like I said, I do have their one of this that is bigger, so it's the Magic Mike, just like the regular. This one I think is called Rainbow Baby Junior, and the other one is just Rainbow. The pressure on the big one I think I prefer because it's a little bit softer than this one. But now I have other tweezers to practice my mega fans, because you guys know I struggle with mega. Mega's really hard. I haven't been properly trained like with anyone to do mega. I've just been doing mega by myself and practicing, and it's been taking a little bit longer than I wish. But yeah, let's get into another box. This is the box I am going to open now. I have I don't know how to flip it that good, but I have this knife that I brought from home, so I'm not messing up my favorite new scissors that I got from my unboxing video from the Top Shelf Beauty. I'm obsessed with those tweezers, with those scissors. They are amazing. You guys, I'm obsessed with everything I have. Why do I always say that? I need to learn new words, because everything I'm obsessed with. So let's see what is in here. Oh, okay, I know what this is. So I have, oh, these are big. I thought they were going to be a little bit smaller. Oh god. So I'll post a picture here of my white Alex drawer. It's not an Alex drawer. If you guys have seen my updated cart, you guys know that that's from Michael's. But on the top, I switched it around now that we're like in this epidemic. I've been like updating my studio, doing different things to it. And I have a hand sanitizer up there that's just like doesn't go with the flow. It just looks really weird. I don't know if this is gonna fit because this is huge. This is actually really cute. I like it, but it's huge. I got the pack of 2 because I do want one for up here. Like I said, they are big. I didn't think they were this big. Let me show you where I'm gonna put the other one. Okay, so I have this set. Let me show you guys forward. I have this little thingy-majiggy that's up there because I do eyebrow and facial waxing. This is just like my pre-cleanser, water, aloe vera, and then oil. So I wanted, again, this is just like the regular bottle. I wanted to have this one. Kind of looks cute. It's so huge and luxe. So now it will look like this. Oh, that's kind of cute. It's like big and in charge. Like really, really big and in charge. Okay, next box. Let's just open this. This is like a tiny little thing. What is in here? I've been waiting for these forever. Like, it's been taking so long for these to get here. The people that I buy them from on Amazon, they like take so long. I should order from their actual business card that's in here. So what these are, they're just the, can you see them? They're like the mascara wands and the tube coverings. Next box, let's see what's in here. Okay, what is this? Okay, so I got adhesive rings. And what is this? Office supply. What is in here? Oh, yay. Okay, good. So these are like little paper clips. I'm going to take those home. I don't really use paper clips here in the studio, but one of these is going to be here for the studio. So I got the big pack because I do need, let me see, let me open this before I say. Okay, this is for here. Let me show you guys what I'm going to keep at home real quick. Okay. So this one I'm going to be keeping at home. I need a stapler at home. So it came with a stapler. It came with these little paper clips, and then it came with a tape dispenser and a pen. Cute. This pen is cute. Oh, it's like a little diamond pen. Cute. Okay, and a stapler taker thingy offer. So I have a tape dispenser here in the studio. Before I started using my Nichiban tape, I used to use 3 different tapes. I used to use like a clear one. I used to use like the microfoam tape and then like the Nichiban tape. So I needed a longer tape dispenser because I used to use a lot of different ones. Now I'm only using Nichiban tape. So this is for the studio. How cute is this? Clear and rose gold and matches everything. Let's open this one, and then for last we'll open 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃. I already know what's in the 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃 box. That's why I want to open these boxes first. Okay, perfect. So, okay, let me show you before I start taking things out. This is how it looks. So what I got was, put this over here. Okay, so I got these. These are lip applicators. Like, people use these to put lip gloss on, anything like that, but I use them to pre-cleanse my clients. I love to keep those in stock. I got GelPads. These are some of my favorite. I'll post 2 pictures because I do use also these. These are from 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃. They're the asymmetrical curve. I like both of them and I keep both on hand. And then I got this little case here. So this case I got to put in a drawer to be able to organize my things a little bit more. Ooh. So instead of just having my things here in these plastic little wraps, I'm going to have them in this little container in a drawer. So it could just look cuter and neater. So it will look like this instead. The thing is, I'm thinking about the future. I kind of want to change my setup when I do get a bigger studio, and I want to have like bigger drawers, and I thought, let me try these out and see if I like them, and I actually do really like them. They look really cute. Instead of having those plastic wraps, you just have them in here. Pick one up, and then you guys have seen my updated cart. Like I said, I placed these on the top. So this is going to be really cute just to keep everything more organized. I might switch it up. I just like having organization tools or like boxes, so I can keep my things organized and I can know exactly what I have in stock, instead of like thinking, oh, I have some of those over here, over there. Like everything's like just in one place. Once they start going low, I know to order more. Now to the fun stuff. Let's open the 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃 box. So here are the goodies. I'm going to be taking them out one by one. So I first got these. These are the cool downs. I got 25 pairs. I actually got 2 of them. So I will be giving away 25 to my first 25 girls that come in and get lashes. So these are not gel pads that you use while you're doing lash extensions. You could do these as an add-on service, just like the lip mask that I was telling you. You can use those as an add-on service, or you could just use these as retail. They are not to be used, like I said, when you're doing eyelash extensions. They're not matte on one side. They are for, let's see, they are for soothing. They depuff and they diminish the appearance of dark circles. They have caffeine that firms and boosts circulation, while kelp extract moisturizes and heals. So this is really, really cool. These you can add on to your nighttime routine, or right when you wake up you can use them. I'll have a little video of me using them here. They are super cooling. I really, really enjoy using them, and I do find that they depuff my eyes and they do get rid of like dark circles. So when I wake up, they just make me feel nice and refreshed. So like I said, I got 25 to give to my girls and 25 to have as retail, because I am going to start retailing 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃 aftercare kits. All of us are really stressed out around this time, so I just wanted to give my girls something to look forward to. Next thing is I got Breakdown. So this is oil-free makeup remover. You guys need to have retail in your studio. I never had oil breakdown remover, and I would always recommend my girls to go somewhere else and purchase makeup remover. But if they're already here asking you like, hey, I do use makeup, and you want something safe for them and you know what they're using, recommend them this one. This is the Breakdown. This is formulated, finally, a makeup remover that's gentle, powerful, yet totally lash safe. This is oil-free formula to feel like water, yet emulsifies on contact to completely dissolve even long wearing eye makeup. No rubbing, no tugging, and best of all, no damage to your lashes. So this is a great thing to have, because even though you tell your girls, hey, go to the drugstore and use an oil-free makeup remover, it might not be oil-free. So I got this to retail to my girls, and then I also got this to retail to my girls. So this is their lash gel cleanser. I'm obsessed with this one. I use this one when I have lash extensions. I've used this one for the longest time. When my girls come in and they need to wash their lashes, I'll give them this one. But this is the new formula. I give them the older one, and everyone loves it. It lasts so long. You just use like a pea size, and with a brush you emulsify it, and it's just amazing. So this is the 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃 Lash Bath. Is formulated with targeted ingredients to cleanse, soothe, and hydrate lids while promoting younger looking skin and strengthening and conditioning lashes. So this is amazing. It's not going to dry out your lashes, and it's formulated for the eye. So no more recommending baby shampoo to your clients. That is old school. Okay, so this is another thing. I used to have my own cleansers. They were actually foaming eye cleansers, and I have both of them. So this is the first one that I came out with. Super cute. And then this is the second one. This is of course Prolong, but I don't want to be doing these anymore. I feel like these just look so much more luxe. And what are they, the chemists that work for 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃, top notch. Another girl that works for her used to work for Urban Decay, doing packaging and doing all this ingredient finding and things like that. So she's been stepping up 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃's like aftercare and things like that. They also came out with Lash Serum, and I'm just telling you, 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃 has like just raised the bar after she came in and started helping them develop a new formula and a new like aftercare line, kind of more like skincare. So this is amazing. I feel like I don't need to do these anymore, but I do have them just to like remember, you know, where I came from. So I have these two. I saved this one from my first batch. This one not from my first batch, but from like whenever I first started, and then I switched over to this logo, and I just kept both of them just to like remember, you know. So this is 50 ml and this is 50 ml as well, but this is not diluted with water. This is diluted with distilled water. This is just pure on gel cleanser, so this is gonna last you so much longer. Like I said, you don't have to dilute it. They just use like a pea size amount with a brush, and then they dilute it with a little bit of water, so it just emulsifies and it lasts way longer than having anything else. Last but not least, I got this adhesive storage container from 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑶𝒂. So I'm going to show you guys a picture of my rose gold lash cart. You guys know I have two. I have the white Alex drawer one. I didn't get it from Ikea, I got it from Michael's, but when I say Alex, you guys kind of know what I'm talking about. So I got the rose gold one, and there's no white on the top layer, and my adhesive storage container is glass with silver on top. It matches exactly like where I have my tape right behind it. So I kind of wanted to bring some white from the Alex drawer, kind of like have it a little bit more cohesive. So I finally upgraded. This is it's dark, so there's no sunlight going through. Adhesives should be in a like dark, like no light coming to it, airtight container, and it just brings white to it. It's just so much cuter. Like when I see it now, I can take pictures. It's going to be more aesthetically pleasing. As you can see now, this is my little update. It's not huge upgrade, so it's not like I'm going in and doing it all at once. So don't think like, if you guys are seeing these videos in the future, like a year from now, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more upgrades, honey. But I do little upgrades here and there when I can, and it just helps me have a better lash day. I could Instagram things, you know, it's just so much cuter. So I don't want you guys to think like, oh my god, I need to get everything. You guys can build your reality. My adhesive storage container that I showed you guys was $2 from the 99-cent store, and I've had it for 2 years, and I'm finally upgrading it. So don't think that you need to go out there and have the best of the best all the time. No, I did what I could with that adhesive container, and now I'm gonna move it somewhere else. That's all I do. I keep things and I like move them around and use them for different things. So don't think that you guys need to go out there and do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next week, I'm going to be doing a Q&A, so if you guys have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments box, in the comment box down below. I cannot talk. I'm going to be doing a Q&A for next week's video. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them in the comments down below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's JesicaVXO, just how it's spelled here. I'm on there every single day. So go follow me over there and go chat with me. I will be doing a Instagram story asking for more questions for next week's video. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to share it with a friend. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also subscribe by just clicking my face here. And if you guys enjoyed my videos, there's 2 other videos here that you can watch. I love you. Bye.